It for the a plus b whole cube, and you can just start with the lid first. So just to remind ourselves of the square, right? So when you do a plus b whole square, you're talking about this length being a, right? And this length being b. So that's why this is an a square and this is a b square. A times a square, a times b, ab, a times b, ab, and b square. So this the children should be familiar with. You should remind them before you do a plus b whole cube. So when you are doing a plus b whole cube, then essentially it means that you have this surface and then you have a height of a and then you have a height of b. So let's just build that. So let's say we first want to build the height of a. So height of a is this length, right? So I take the same a square and then I build the height of b. Then I take an AB, so this fits on top of it. I take an AB and build it with a height of B. Then I take another AB and build it with a height of B. So these two are the same, right? And then of course I have a B square, height of B again, that is a B cube. So that's the shape. So the surface area was the same, the top surface was the same, but the height was B. Now I complete it, and this time I complete the height of A, which is a smaller height. So if I take this one, right, then I see that the height is A, this area is B square, that can come here. Yeah. This was AB, but now I need AB, which is this, with a height of A. And because this was A, B, and this has a height of A, this is an A square. And similarly you have one more of that. And then you have of course A square with a height of A, which becomes A cube. So one way to sort of play this as a game also, if you like, is that the same colors should touch. So the blacks of course will touch with each other. So these are blacks, there's nothing in common, it's an AB. Otherwise this is the shape that we have, right? So if I look at it in 3D, I'm basically getting a height of A and height of B, and already it was A plus B whole square. So what are the pieces that go to form this, right? So in this layer you have this A cube, you have this A square B, you have another A square B, you have a B square A, you have another B square A, you have a third B square A, and then you have of course A square B. So 3A square B, 3AB square, B cube and A cube. This is what go to form your A plus B whole cube. A minus B whole cube, you can simply say when the numbers are negative, wherever you have B, you can replace it with negative B. And so when you have a B square, it becomes positive. So these become positive. When you have simply a B multiplied, it becomes negative. And when you have B cube, because you multiply negative 3 with another negative, this will also be a negative. So that's the only difference between A plus B whole square and A minus B